Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll create three high authority do follow backlinks. So let's check the DR of our first website. And the DR of this website is 88 and it have 16 million backlinks and 45k linking websites. So let's go to this website first. Now watch this video without skipping because this method is a little bit different. So go here, click on this create your free account and fill up the details. Okay, it's done. Go to your email and confirm the link. So dashboard. Now click on this start from scratch and then fill up these details. Now here it's just for your profile, okay? It's not for your backlinks, just to keep your profile genuine. Just fill up the details. Don't add any links here. Like I'll add my what you call channel name. Add your description. Save and preview. Just recheck. Create new show. Okay, it's done. Now add episode. Now here you have to add the details. Okay, and then now here you have to add audio file which is related to your brand or something. You can go to 11 Lab website and add some detail about your website and then create mp3 file from there and upload it here. And now add summary about your topic. You can generate it from ChatGPT and then add your content. And then here I'll add my link, hyperlink. I'll add one more link, but don't add more than two links. They might block your account. Here I'll add my channel name. You can add your image, up to you, but I'll not touch this. can alternate your episode URL. I'll not do anything here. And then let's check once again if we have missed anything. Okay, everything looks good. Save draft. Now go here and then publish. Okay, this is your link. Let's check on some other window. You can see this is our page, and here's our backlink. And say do follow backlink. You can see it's a pure do follow backlink. They keep this profile genuine as much as possible, because if you just create this profile for the backlink, I'm sure they're gonna what you call that, they're gonna delete your profile or block your profile. Okay, that's it. This is our first backlink. Now let's talk about our second backlink. Our second website is this one, ms.com, and the DR of this website is 75, 130k backlinks and 7.9k linking websites. Good website. Let's go to this URL. Sorry. And then sign up. Fill up these details. Go to your email and you'll find there your code. Submit in this website. Okay, so this is a dashboard. Let's check here my account. I'll change my name here. Save changes. Go to this button, create, and we'll create here presentation blank. Choose any format here. And in text, you add any details. Now add URL. That's it. Now save. Copy the link. Okay, we have the link, but we have this graph. We have to remove that. Actually, behind this text, we have this box, which I think related to graph. I'll delete that and save. View again. Okay, now we don't have that graph mark. So what you do while creating this page, first you just let me delete this. Now this is a blank page. Just check there's no any other boxes or anything. Now save, and then let's view this. We have the backlink and a clean profile. Go to edit, share, copy the link. Let's check again. Great. So let's say Dofollow Backlink. You can see here. So Dofollow Backlink. Okay, both of them are Dofollow. You can see here. This is our second website. Now let's move on to third one. And our third website is this Tech in Asia. And the DR of this website is 84, 3.7 million backlinks, 31K linking websites. Go to this website, sign up, add your details, confirm the link. Now your profile is ready. Go to this icon, edit profile, and then add your location if you want. And here add your links. I'll pick from here Google. I'll remove this link and add my website link. You can add multiple links here. Let me choose Google. Okay, now I'll save this links. Add your image. And you have to add a short bio. Save. All links still not visible. Let me add details here as well. And now let's check off profile in some other window. Okay, so we have our links. Let me add here my location. So here you have to add all these details, otherwise your links will not be visible. So fill up all the details and then check in some other window. I'll remove these links because I don't think it will work. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll discuss how to index your backlinks for free. So stick to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. That's it. See you next time.